Hey everybody, welcome back yet again to another video. My name is Timo Varakas if you don't know me, and today I'm here to tell you 5 tips on how to amp up your photography. Now these are really easy tips, really easy to implement into your photography. Some of them might be already familiar to you, but hey, it's always great to bring back the oldies. Now while showing sample photos of these tips, I have taken these photos mainly for this video. These are no bangers or anything, these are just sample photos, so keep that in mind. Now the first tip, one of my favorites, the homemade mist filter. I use this a lot with my X100V because I do not have a mist filter for this camera, but hey, I can make my own. First thing you do, you take a UV filter, a protection filter, whatever you want to call it, and you spray some hairspray on it. Here's a sample photo before using the filter, here's a sample photo while using the filter, and the results, to me at least, are great. You get sort of these really misty photos. You have to be careful when you spray the hairspray onto that filter. The closer you spray, the more you get, and the mistier the photo gets. Now you don't want it to be too misty, so remember to spray it from afar. Also, the hairspray is really easy to wash off. I usually use some dish soap like Fairy or something and just put it onto the filter and rinse it off with water. The next tip is, well, pretty familiar to everybody. Use reflections. Recently I've been seeing a lot of photos where I think a reflection would have been really nice, but there wasn't any, and the use of reflections has just magically disappeared somewhere. I haven't really seen the use of reflections anymore. You can use puddles, you can use your phone screen, you can use an induction stove like I do sometimes at home, and that is a great way to amp up your photography. You get these awesome results mirroring things and stuff like that, and sometimes even with your phone you can make it seamless and look like there's no phone there, there's just the reflection. Now one thing I don't see a lot is the use of shaped bokeh. Now what I did here is I took a piece of cardboard, tried to cut a piece out that looks like a heart. Hopefully, I cut it out as best as I could, and you put that on the front of your lens. And this is the result. That photo is out of focus because I wanted to show you the bokeh, but it is shaped as a heart, I think. To me, it looks like a heart. Now, this fourth tip is something that I'd like to thank Timo Vehkaoja, a great photographer, a great content creator, and he showed me once how to make the effect of steam or smoke into your photos. Now, what I did here, I took a coffee mug. I wanted the coffee mug to look like it had hot coffee in it, steaming hot coffee. And how I did it is I took this small plate, I put it behind the coffee mug to hide it from the photo. I took a piece of cardboard and I lit that cardboard. Now you don't want to light the cardboard up, you just want it to smolder a little bit, and when you take a photo it looks like the steam or the smoke is coming from the coffee mug. Now the thing here is you don't want to use this too much in your house because the smell is pretty bad and it's something that you don't want to smoke in your house. And the fifth and the last thing is, if you got a problem with backgrounds, you don't really know how to shoot a product photo or anything like that with a background, many people forget that they have laptops and monitors. So use a monitor as a backdrop to your photos. You can pick out any kind of photo, like I did here. I used my BB-8 model and took a photo of a Star Wars background, and voila, this is the result. Now these were the 5 DIY tips you should be already using in 2024. You can use them easily from your home, except for that smoky part. And if you're interested in some video hacks, I got a video for you right here. Go check that out. You can probably implement some of those into your photography too. If you like the video, remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.